System version 5 Terminal Automation System Introduction. First, we'll navigate over to the Data Admin dropdown and go into the Position Holder Entity page where you can have a list of all your position holders to add new, but also edit and view existing position holders. So I'll go into this position holder where you will see that you can mark it as additional entity types as necessary to keep duplicate data at a minimum in your system. This is the high level information about this position holder, and then you'll see there's an accordion view to set additional things such as BOL information, tabs information, and terminal access, products, and others. So now we will go back to the overall list and we will check out the product allocations page here, which is a critical function of the system. And of course we can add new, but in this case we will go and we will add new here, and we will see we need to select a position holder, so we'll do that, and set dates and all this information here. First step would be enable the product such that the position holder could load this product, but then also we can have allocations for this product, which then opens up a lot more possibilities here, including setting the volume settings of that allocation, as well as the rollover information of the allocation for this position holder. The same thing works for customers, and as we go over here you can see where you would set up suppliers, customers, destinations, carriers, and the other kind of important entity data. But something I do want to go visit is the terminal access. So terminal access is how you set up the relationship between these entities so that a driver can enter a code and lift product for their customer. So there's a number of sort of terminal access types that we have, but we'll go ahead and look at the destination customer. And as you can see here, this is the only selection for this terminal automation system. Of course, it's only one terminal, but the Dearman Unity product is the same exact user interface and application as the terminal automation. So this can also be done at a Unity level. So now you see I've selected this, and position holder, supplier, customer, destination have appeared. So you would need to have these already created before you create your what you call terminal access or access card. And then you can come in here and set these. It's just sample data here, of course. But then this says allow keypad access, and you set the keypad, and then you can assign products against this setup. So now with this keypad, with this access card or code, this relationship would be able to be accomplished by the driver so they can lift product during their prompt sequence. So it's all relatively straightforward, and the Dearman team assists in getting all of your position holders, carriers, and the like data into the system and ensuring that all the access cards are initially set up, and then your team will know how to keep them up to date over time to ensure drivers can lift product accordingly. Love that right click there. So as you can see too, if you're familiar with the former interface of Dearman, this is an updated user interface, much more fast and easier to access, including the search functionality. I mean, it's a simple customer, but let's go ahead and search by 682, and you see things filtered down there. So this is a very flexible and quick way to access data. That's a pretty significant upgrade for the system. And before we kind of sign off here, we'll just go look at the orders page, which this is where you're going to be able to see loading orders, pre-dispatched orders if you're so inclined, and completed orders in the BOLs. So there is this card view if you would like, where a lot of folks just want to have this view here. So we'll go ahead and kind of look at this order. Again, the accordion view that's consistent throughout the app, and the data is closed here, and certain user privileges would be able to modify certain fields of a closed BOL. But also we can view the PDF here, and pull that down, and that BOL can be sent to contact. Thank you for viewing the version 5, or as we call it, the V5 Dearman TAS. We are excited to make this available to the market. Of course, there's much more features and functionalities available here, so just contact us to learn more, and appreciate it.